Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, February 1 to 3, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday. We still have the northeast monsoon, but it's somewhat a little weaker, but it continues to bring some windy conditions across the Bicol region, the eastern sections of Luzon, Extreme Northern Luzon, CaLaBaRZon, including Metro Manila, MiMaRoPa, Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, Northern and Northeastern Mindanao, and also here along the Sulu Archipelago. So these areas will have windy conditions with some passing cloudy with isolated rain showers, particularly here across the eastern sections of the Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. Elsewhere, the seas will be rough and dangerous to small and medium-sized sea vessels, so please take all necessary precautions. Now, we don't have yet any developing LPAs or tropical cyclones for the next 5 to 10 days based on the computer models. So far, that's the latest from our GovSat. And as we look at our fast animation, here's the cloudiness generated by the northeast monsoon. Some convergence going on here across Eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. And as we look at our zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, here you go, the suspected cloudiness with some possible thunderstorms over these areas. So please take all necessary precautions. So it's affecting Visayas, particularly the eastern sections and portions of northeastern Mindanao. The rest will be fair, windy with some passing cloudiness, particularly along the eastern sections and extreme northern parts of Luzon. And as we look at our forecast for the next 3 days, this is the rainfall accumulation beginning today, Monday, until Wednesday. As you can see here, the rainfall activity will be more concentrated for the next 3 days over the eastern sections of Visayas, portions of central Visayas, as well as northeastern Mindanao. So it will be more intense over the area of Surigao del Norte and del Sur, and also here across the southern portions of Sulu Archipelago. Elsewhere here across the eastern sections of Cagayan, eastern sections of northern Quezon, and some areas of eastern Bicol will have some showers, passing showers, brought about by the northeast monsoon. Now let's take a look at our windy.com wind forecast from the American model. So for the next 24 hours, tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, we could see here some weakening of the northeast monsoon into northeasterly southeast wind flow, while the extreme northern parts of Luzon, particularly Batanes and Babuing Cubaba Islands, will have some renewed surge of the Amihan. And on Wednesday afternoon, another blast, but only at moderate levels, will be expected, brought about by the northeast monsoon across the northern and eastern sections of Luzon, including the Visayas. So again, the northeast monsoon will still be here for the next couple of days. So that's it. That's the latest from our tropical weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, and we will be returning again on Wednesday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.